I think the sound of gurgling water and cooing doves is just the sound of paradise. I'm very proud of these little fountains we have because they're inspired by the gardens in Persia, which are renowned for the smallest fountains in the world. And in a country where we have incredible heat and a lack of water, it's lovely just to have small fountains, not fountains just symbolizing big power, but actually just this lovely, playful sound of water that just enmeshes with everything else. So I think with World Water Day being on Friday, it's valuable for us to honor the water we have, to take time to think, where's the source? Originally, our spring up in the mountain is the source for this water, but since we've had the droughts and the floods, we've really used our irrigation water to circulate throughout this area. And I think it's wonderful that here is where everybody flocks together to come and play with the water itself. All these little toddlers coming and splashing around in the water, and it's just pure delight. But it is also just such a unifying kind of element that we have. Yeah, water is life, so let us appreciate and respect the water we have.